This is one of the sappiest songs I've written, and also one of my favorite songs. It's song called Don't You, and this is off beat. Sucker for a game kids like to play, and the rules we like to use. Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel for you? The sun telling me the night is done. I refuse to let it stop our fun. Close your eyes, we'll make it dark again and kiss. There's a thought, so how about this? Let's pretend that both our lips are made of candy. After all, we need sweets every now and then. Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel for you? But you we are two strangers in a very different place. Unknown, what will happen to us next? To lay this fire to rest. Go. How so very apropos. A goodbye just as soon as I said hello. Well, alright, I'll see you later. It's true. It's just a fantasy for two. What's the difference if it all could happen? Don't you want the way I feel for you? Oh, don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel? Don't you want the way I feel for you? Don't you want the way